You've got to stop that. I don't like hearing you say, if I were Kira, even hypothetically.
I'm sorry, Dad. I feel comfortable saying things like that is because I'm not really Kira.
It would be a problem if you were Kira, because I feel you're the first friend that I have ever had.
This whole thing's completely pointless because I'm not Kira.
Listen to me. I'm going to kill you here and then kill myself.
Please stop, Dad! I'm not Kira!
Don't tell me you're still worried about that, Chief. Of course he's not Kira. Even if that's true, it doesn't mean he's guilty. Besides, there's no way that Light can be Kira.
That's right. I am Kira.